Good morning, students. This is for Madras University questions in November 2014. So, question paper 4, all the 3 questions uploaded in YouTube. Part A. Question number 1, what is continuous audit? Question number 2, what do you mean by audit program? Question number 3, what is independent audit? Question number 4, define vouchers. Question number 5, what are the objectives of vouching? Question number 6, what is meant by verification of assets? Question number 7, what is revaluations method? Question number 8, what is depreciation? Question number 9, what are the liabilities of branch auditors? Question number 10, what is company audit? Question number 11, what is auditing around the computer? Question number 12, what do you mean by EDP? Next, part B, it's a 5 mark questions. Question number 13, explain the scope of auditing. Question number 14, explain characteristics of internal control. Question number 15, state the principles related to valuation and verification of stocks in trade. Question number 16, differentiate between depreciation and fluctuation of value of assets. Question number 17, explain the classification of auditors. Question number 18, point out the liabilities of company auditors. Question number 19, explain the components of computers. And part C, it's a 10 mark questions. Question number 20, suggest a suitable system of internal check for payment of wages. Question number 21, explain the vouching of the payment of credit side of the cash book. Question number 22, what are the duties of an auditor in respect of provisions for depreciation? Question number 23, discuss the procedure for the removal of a company auditors under the Companies Act. Question number 24, explain the characteristics of an EDP environment.